Okay, students, so now we are going to look at this coin collecting problem for robo to start with the leftmost corner of this table and reach the rightmost corner by collecting the maximum number of coins. Actually, this problem would translate to maximum value of the coins, but here the value of each coin is 1, so the maximum value or the maximum number is basically the same here. Okay, but if you make it very general, like C of I comma j, eventually you want to find a path such that you collect the max coins, such as the sum of all the coin values is the maximum. Okay, all right. So here the recursion is going to be, now if I want to get into a cell, say this cell, which is say I comma j, I get to this cell basically from the immediate top, it's not writing, or from the immediate left. Why I can only do these two things? Because as a robo, it can move from one cell to only a neighboring cell, or it can move to the right, or it can move down. This is what a robo can do. It can move to the right or it can move down. So if you want to get to a cell I comma j, you could get to that either from the top or from the left. Okay, so you can get to it from which cell? From I minus 1 comma j, the same column but the previous row, or you would get it to it from the same row but the previous column. So which one you would prefer? That cell that has a maximum value for the coins collected in between these two cells, and then when you get here, you may either have a coin or may not have the coin. Okay, if you have the coin, its value is going to increase, the total value is going to increase. If you don't have the coin, you just retain whatever is the maximum between these two cells. Alright, so f of I comma j is the maximum of f of I minus 1 comma j, or f of I minus 1, sorry, it should be f of I comma j minus 1. I have it right here. So it is f of I comma j minus 1 or f of I minus 1 comma j. So immediate top, same column, or immediate left, same row. Alright, plus C of I comma j. So you either find you first find the maximum of these two, right? And then whatever you get as a maximum, add a 1 if there's a coin in this cell I comma j, add a 0 if there's no coin in the cell I comma j. That's all it is. So the I ranges from 1 to n and j ranges from 1 to n. Okay, so now let's do this. So I made it in such a way that we have, because we have to take into account the values when I is 0 and j could be anything, and j is 0 and I could be anything. So this is when j is 0, I is anything. So this is our j columns and this is our I. Alright, so let's go into this. So as I said, you take the maximum of the immediate top and the immediate left and add a 1 if there's a coin, 0 if there's no coin. So there's no coin in 1 1, and maximum of 0 and 0 is still 0, right? Then keep going. Maximum of this 0 and 0 is going to be 0. There's no coin in 1 2, so it is 0. Now maximum of 0 and 0 is 0. There's a coin over here, so it is 1. Then maximum of 1 and 0, maximum of 1 and 0 is 1, and there's no coin over there, so it is 1. Maximum of 1 and 0 is 1, and there's no coin over there, so it is 1. Maximum of 1 and 0, this 1 and 0 is 1, and there's a coin over here, so it is 2. So you see, either the value remains the same or it increases, it will not decrease. Alright, okay, let's continue doing it. So the maximum of this 0 and this 0 is 0, and there's no coin over here in 2 comma 1, so that's going to be 0. and it's going to be 0. Now maximum of 0 and 1 is 1, and there's no coin in 2 comma 3, so it's 1. Maximum of 1 and 1 is 1, and there is there's no coin, yes, and there's no coin, there's a coin here at 2 comma 4, so maximum of 1 and 1 is 1 plus this 1, so it's going to be 2, right? Then maximum of 2 comma 1 is 2, and there's no coin over here, so that's going to be what? 2. Maximum of this 2 and 2 is going to be 2, and there's no coin over here, so it's going to be 2. Alright, okay, so the maximum of 0 and 0 is 0. That's no coin over there, but now you see 3, 2, there's a coin, so maximum 0 and 0 is 0 plus a coin there, so 1. Then maximum of 1 and 1 is 1 plus a coin, there's no coin over here, so it is 1. Maximum of 1 and 2 is 2, and there's no coin over here, so that's going to be 2. Maximum of 2 and 2 is going to be 2, there's a coin over here, so it's going to be 3. Maximum of 2 and 3 is 3, there's no coin over here, so it's going to be 3. Okay. Maximum of 0 and 0 is 0, there's no coin. 0 and 1. Okay. Maximum of 1 and 1 is 1. Maximum of 1 and 2 is 2 plus there's a coin, so it's 3. 3 and 3 maximum is 3. 3 and 3 maximum is 3. Okay. There's a coin over here, so maximum 0 and 0 is 0, and there's a 1. Maximum is 1. 1. 3. There's a coin over here, so maximum is 3 and then plus 1, so it's going to be maximum 3 and 4 is plus 4. Right, so now there is maximum is 1, 1, there's a coin over there, so 1 and 1 plus 1, 3, 4, and there's a coin over here, so it's going to be 5. Okay, so this 5 is the value of the coin that we value or the total number of coins is collected, because all coins have value 1. Alright, so now we have to trace the path. Alright, so let's sorry. Alright, so we start at this 5 last corner, and we come and collect a coin here. We have a tie here, 4 and 4, so you break the tie by going up, so that's what I have shown here. And now you have 3 and 4, so you break the tie, no, there's no tie, it's a 3 and 4, so you go to the larger one, so which is towards the left. So actually it's a reverse direction because you're tracing the path from the top. So now you're here, so the maximum of 3 and 3 anything, so I break the tie by going up, then 3 and 3, break the tie by going up, and 2 and 2, break the tie by going up. Now 1 and 2, break the tie, no, there's no tie, so go to the left. Now you are at 2, 4, which is this, so 1 and 1, break the tie by going up. Actually, once you go up the topmost cell, you just keep moving left, or if you reach the leftmost column, just keep moving up. Okay, so we can just simply say we will keep doing this. So if you count the number of coins that have been collected, that would be 5. Okay, so this is the path for the robo to really trace, right?